Oh, wow.
Yeah. That's my job. I'm supposed to be driving it. The guy went down to the liquor store real quick. I'm watching the train flying around. He'll be right back. He just had to get his six pack, man. Maybe he just decided to quit. Yeah.
Yeah, why is he so funny?
Oh shit, he must have just walked off, huh? Is he all in mail? I got government wages, he said. Why'd you come back right now? Yeah, for the 40 of cool fucking gold. Go with it. What the fuck is wrong? What's wrong? He says, hey, what's the matter, man? My train's still here. I wonder how far we can get to fucking St. Louis to New Orleans before they fucking got us.
Where is the conductor?
How far we can get on one of these?
They have to have the conductor has to be there.
If one got stuck, cops got called out, they're looking for the conductor, no conductor. Yeah. I know. The cops been looking up and down that train, they still can't find him. You just be covered back with some road. Looks like to me he just walked on. Well, otherwise, why would cops be all over his train?
Dude, that's been going for a long time. Is that what you guys hit?
Yeah, I can hear all that.
Oh, yeah. It's been going for
Well, see, here's the thing, though. The conductor's not supposed to leave his engine, right?
No, I don't think so. Well, why would he?
Yeah.
There should be a bathroom and everything.
Yeah. There's cops all over it. Dude, I've seen things stranger than that in my life. Train pops out of nowhere, man. Where'd it come from? Only in Nevada. Only in Nevada the cops can pull over a train. You see, they know the day from night, but they don't know. They don't even know where they're at. You know what I mean?
Can't be a distress signal like a constant one.
My mom goes, that's it. Yeah,
crazy world.
Where's the conductor? Hey, I see a shoe, man. It's underneath the train.
Well, thanks for the information. Good luck, guys.
Where's the conductor? Dude, maybe he had a heart attack, dude. Went back here to sit on the computer and fucking died, man. I didn't know you could open the nose and go up to the top, too. What's that making you do? Oh, no, I thought they got on the sides. I used to climb in those things when I was a kid. It's got to have exits, man. I mean, it's not a submarine, but you got to be able to go. If that thing starts going on fire, you got to be able to get out any which way. There's a beagle. They got good noses, don't they? Oh, yeah. Let's go. He's got good senses. Go find a sheep. He's got good senses, dogs do. Yeah, we're going to take that beagle and we're going to find a conductor. Man, with the Holy Spirit. Oh, this is exciting. It's exciting. Yeah. Sheep, man. We got a missing conductor. Mystery. Yeah, we'll find out there's fucking like 100 mil on that train or something and we're sitting here. Well, they're trying to catch that train since Santa Fe, man.
All that engine in. It's probably carrying the whole thing. Toilet paper or something.
Something like that. Yeah, they all up there. Well, this way it goes back to empty boxes. Yeah, but they all grain up there and stuff, dude. Oh, did they?
engineers.
Oh, okay, so they did find an engineer, didn't they?
Yeah, but these guys just showed up not long ago.
Oh, really? Not the same. I wonder how I can find info about this house.
Contact a realtor?
Oh, you think it's for sale?
No, but they could tell you about any address.
Actually, my mom grew up in this house.